Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you want your products to appear on Google Shopping, you will need a Google Merchant Center. So in today's small tutorial, I will show you exactly how to connect Shopify to Google Merchant Center in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first thing first, we're gonna go ahead and start by you open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. We're gonna go all the way and look for Shopify in the search bar. After this, we're gonna go open the website, then log in using your email address and password. Now we're gonna go through this app section, tap on add, then tap on Shopify App Store. We're gonna basically go and look for some apps which will take you to the Shopify App Store. But if you wanna make sure that you already basically have the shop set up and everything else, go through the settings, then go through the customer events. Now, we actually should go through the sales management first, or sales channels. Make sure point of sale and online store are available here. Then we're gonna go and look for Google and YouTube. Okay, this is it. Now make sure you download this app, sign into Google account. Just connect your Google Merchant Center account, or even create it if you don't have one. And verify and claim your domain. Google will automatically verify it for you, so don't really worry about it. All you're gonna do now is enable product syncing from Shopify, then set a target countries. Choose where your products will be shown. Fix the product errors as well. Check the Merchant Center for any warnings or issues. Once approved, products will appear on Google Shopping automatically. That's basically it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.